Nadine and Saamir. The letter K. Look guys, today I'm in a cave or cave. We're going to find things that start with the letter K. Let's go. Look, there's books flying. Yes, flying books. Wait a minute. I know that. Kutub is books in Arabic. Books in Arabic is Kutub. Kutub starts with the letter Kaf. Kaf.
Kutub. Books. Kutub. Look at how many kutub there are. Kutub. Books. Kutub.
Kutub is books. Kutub. Kutub makes sound koo. That koo sound is kaf with a dhamma. Kaf with a dhamma. It's kutub. Kutub. Yeah. Yes, we got a star. Woo, good job. Let's keep going. Ooh, you see that flying around? Yeah, that's a keys. A keys. Keys in English is bag. It's a bag. Keys, bag. Bag, keys. That's catchy.
This lady is using el Kees to put her grocery in it or her fruit. Keys. Bag. Keys.
Keys is bag in English. Geese. Key. It makes sound key. Kaf with a kesra. Kesra is key, like in keys. Keys. Yes! We got our second star. Only one more to go. Let's go! You hear that sound? That sounds like a dog barking. Hey, a dog in Arabic is kalb. Dog, kalb. Yeah, kalb starts with the letter kaf. Kalb is dog in English. Kalb. Kalb has a fatha sound, like in ka. Kalb. Dog, kalb. Yay! We got our final star. Yeah! Good job! Bye! Thanks for watching our video.
Nadine and Saamir.